Are we back? Hey, there we go. Okay. Now, should be able to set up loopback. How do I enter the my license for loopback? Loopback license. Your name. Okay. Oh, I gotta dig through email for this. All right. Hopefully, I gotta be careful not to drop this on screen. Code, your name. Oh, it's been unlocked. Happy day. Okay. Copy something else into my copy buffer. There we go. Okay. Close that. We're gonna add Mitch. Oh, I don't have Mitch running. Where's Mitch? Did we export Mitch? Yeah. Gonna make sure that's there with release. And then oh, audio output capture is there. I don't really think I want pass through on. Okay. Just start Kitty up again. Out of curiosity. Did the did, trying to get the camera working again. It should work. Huh. Strange. Okay. Still no camera. Copying Mitch over. Can't see it. So that dragon roasting the meat is supposed to be a centurion attacking the dragon with a sword. But I see the same thing that you see. I always thought it was like bread or something. It's like, oh, it's toasting his lunch. All right, so now we have Mitch. Or Mitch. Okay. Mitch is up and running. All right. Mitch should be there. Let's change the transform on Mitch to fit to screen. Save that. Now what happens? Should be able to set up loopback. Okay. Here we go. I have no idea if what the audio level is going to be on this. So watch yourself. Actually, I didn't attach this settings. I have to go back into OBS, my audio settings. Add loop back there. All right, here we go. You've been warned. So I'm gonna bump it down first, about negative 16 decibels. Okay.
Oh man, I love this song.
Oh, I couldn't hear it though. That did look loud though. Negative 20. I can imagine if I didn't bump that down. I mean, the EQ on that was, yo, you heard it. Oh, no text. Yeah, it was there for just a moment. Didn't actually look very good on the screen. Okay. I want to be able to hear it, so we'll have pass through on. Or built-in output. There we go. So I can still hear it. Oh, actually, I don't even need to do that. I can just disable the mute. Kind of quiet for us. Fine for you compared to the voice music. I'm gonna do another test.
Oh man, I love this song.
All right, now I'm just listening for it. Oh, it picked up the monitor. Yeah, that's because the mic picked it up, and yeah. Okay. Let's turn the music back on. Well, this is interesting. How do I get this to work? Um, where is how do okay, I think I need to rearrange what I plug my headset into. My headset has to go to the other machine now.
Oh man, I love this song.
Yeah. Gotta disable that for a moment. Okay. We'll mute while capture. How about now? There we go. Monitors. Headset. Yes. Thank you. No text. We'll get to the text. Okay. I think that's because I didn't set up
Oh man, I love this song.
didn't set up a material on that yet. All right. The other thing that I want on this, my sources is going to be the Mirrorbox audio capture. Yeah, you're probably getting doubles now. How do I?
Oh man, I love this song.
I know you got like double music now. Okay, that might actually work. No pass through. Now I can hear the music. All right. And if we do one more of these, we'll test.
Oh man, I love this song.
Okay. We don't have none of that.
Oh man, I love this song.
Let's get the text going. Let's make that a little brighter. CPU is actually not doing so bad. I think the optimize using the optimized version helped, and also getting the size of that down. Sec, I want to check something. Ah, there we go. And if we go back to the other one, oh, it's gonna kick on. Oh, happy day. Look at that. All right, not gonna spend too much time on that. Okay, close. Okay, so we've got those elements. Now let's get the text bits up and running. All right. Move that. Actually, let's put that in the background. So I come back here. So now that's saved. Go back into, wait, is my screen capture is not working? 'Cause that's not what's on my screen. Out in the darkness. Here, we'll reject all those claims. Okay, everybody gets their points back. All right, well, this is kind of how the stream's going today. Yeah. Say, should be able to do one of these.
Oh man, I love this song.
The text isn't quite showing up right. That's fine. You can actually see it was kind of outlined. I'm going to see if I can cycle the capture card. Just a minute. Oh, that was a funny sound. All right, give it a moment. Yep, the screen went dark. Good. Bringing it back. Here it comes. I see it. You don't. My eyes are tiny today. So far away. So what do you guys want to talk about? Just do one of these. Okay, here, we'll delete the capture. Just a chatting stream. I've given up on coding. Oh, yeah, and chatting too. Um, Video capture device. Screen capture. Yeah, there's something going on with OBS and the capture devices. Contact. That's fine, as long as it doesn't involve bathtubs or pools. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe that. Starlink's in control of the stream. Overlapping air horn noises. Yeah, it's just given up. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna toss on. Hold on a sec. Come back here. Studio mode. Add desktop capture. Display capture. There we go. Okay. So here you can kind of see it. There we go. I don't know. I think you should have gone full like fancy toilet on that. Like whole tongue in cheek hot tub to toilet with like a built-in bidet. Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, we're not really competing, are we? You don't come to Bear Dude on stream for his looks, right? Or mine. Come to our streams for intelligent conversation. My wife is shaking her head. All right. So let's see. Back over in here. Let's fight with this. So this is the one we're on right now. I'll go away once this works. If we go into properties on this, see the capture card is selected, and this is exactly what was happening before. I wonder if I can kind of kick it using like photo booth. Or photo booth. Let's say we want this. Can photo booth load that? No, now I'm just stuck there. Was your dog out on? That's funny. All right. So yeah, even photo booth is having an issue loading it. I don't know why. System prefs. I mean, where are cameras in here? I don't think there's even a camera thing in here. There's sound. And it looks like the audio is coming through actually, because I can see it in loopback. So that's coming through just fine. Oh, no. Yeah, I thought it was going to be this issue in here where only some things had access to the camera, but that's not it. Screen recording. OBS is in there as well. And it's so weird that it was like working earlier. Like we can only do one at a time now. Like, do you want camera or other thing? So here, let's pull a photo booth. Goodbye, photo. We were just banning political terms, so right. Oh, that way too fast. Okay. You ordered one, a mankini. Oh, that's funny. So yeah, what is this new mysterious thing at the top here? Then nothing. Hey, London. Morning. How you doing? This is an odd stream today. The code's up there. You're there. The camera's in the wrong spot. It's not capturing cameras anymore. Does OBS have an update or something? Maybe there's like a... This is what I get for like... Up to date. Let's go check the forums. Looks all right. Forum. Max support. Yeah. Okay, you don't have the right power cord. It doesn't look like anything there. Secret NSA video surveillance capture. Yes, that the little empty one at the top. Pretty sure that's it. So we can delete that. We can do all sorts of things to that. What's the issue? So what seems to be happening is my capture device for the screen I want to be showing is not actually picking up anything. So if we go to properties here, got this Mirrorbox video capture card. If we choose something else, like FaceTime camera, use some sort of preset, we get that. Now, we come back to this is the webcam that we see already. Back here, nothing. It doesn't really have presets. It just has one setting. And it always outputs at 1080p, 60 frames a second. And it's got some auto select things down here. But it's not actually pulling up all the settings. There should be more available in this box. We got a default mirror box. Like that does nothing because it's not supposed to. See, it does pull up at least that much info. If I open up webcam settings, this other app, yeah, okay, so it's gonna mess around with my image there. All right, was I in front of that stuff? Yeah, but now you see my video is like changing. This tool is actually interfering. It's actually from USB. I've got a USB hub. Oh, I'll click it. See, actually on the other screen that you can't. Can't unsee that. Okay. Am I able to try it without the hub? Yeah, here, let's see. Which one is it? Um, I've got one port free. Yeah, let's take that off there. All right. Fire that up. Actually in a bad spot. Okay. Okay. Screen capture. Yeah, the audio's piping through again. So the music's actually coming through mirror box, that thing there. Yeah. I don't know. See, I think it's a USB hub. I need a hot tub. I need a hot hub. All right. There you go. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, now it's fine. So go figure. Let's put that back where it belongs. Turn off the other screen. That is so strange that it would be that hub. How the hell's it's this little USB hub's been a beast for me. Maybe I'm actually too many things that are drawing too much power. Hmm. All right. Well, thank you for that suggestion. It's a little disturbing though. Hmm. Yeah, it's a 3.0 hub, and the Mac should be able to handle it. Actually, what year is this Mac? It's a mid 2015. When you try to fix things high. Yeah. Just assembling everything and hopefully assembling it again. My dad's a motive mechanic. And when I was a kid, he bought me this little toolbox full of tools. And he came home from work one day to find the lawnmower in the garage just disassembled. I have no memory of this at all. None at all. Um, I don't remember the tools. I don't remember the garage even. The house from forever ago. All right, so we've get that out. Okay, so let's get the text sorted. Thumbs up song we have here. Looks like this is like a hideous screen color. I don't like this song. All right. See, we're in GLS 2. Can you do low power mode with GLS 3? So let's try. You need to take into account how much data the vid capture takes, total capacity of the port where the hub is connected and the data and the devices used, and timing issues as well. Yeah, I've got my network going through there, so actually that's quite a bit of data. But what USB 3.0 is 5 gigabit per second max. So that in the network thing, that's 2 megabytes, which should leave 4.7 gigs left. I don't know if the capture card was actually doing stuff with them. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot going on in that box. But what does this one actually go to? Oh, the mic. So I got the mic, the camera, the headset now, the Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet. Can I rotate the video? Excuse me? Oh, where the audio go? All right, let's restart Pretzel. Oh, is it possible to rotate the video? Yes, yes it is. Oh, yes. Should we put, we'll see. So we could transform. Oh, we'll see up there. There we go. Ceiling Halsey. Okay. That's leaving that's megabytes, right? Good question. Let's see. What do we have here? What space? I think I had been using this before. I'm just leaving it on autosec now. A mouth between my what? Like up here. Yeah, no, we're not gonna do that today. Another day, maybe. All right, so right now we just what swap that out to GLS 3, which is nice because we could get I uh, high color range stuff. I forget the name. Search for low. Oh, they do have it for GLES 3. Okay, yeah, let's do that then. Because if we do that, come into environment. Is that the default environment we're using? Is it which overlay? Oh, see, yeah, there goes there's fuchsia. Hey, fuchsia, how's it going? Environment. Save. Save it there. Right, sure. Okay. Now we can be at 1 here for the glow. Come back to thumbs up song. Get order box here. Gonna go with the gold color because I like the color. Something up in there. That give that a thumbs up.
Oh man, I love this song.
All duplicated. But it's not giving us the oh, that's right. Because in Twitch overlay or background mode, this has to be not keep canvas. It needs to be canvas. We do that.
Oh man, I love this song.
Mr. Halsey loves this song. It's a Mr. Halsey.
Oh man, I love this song.
All right. Now, how did we get that working
Oh
before?
man, I love this song.
That glow on. We drop the strength here. Run it again. Oh, wait, wait. That's not what I need. Should be one. Soft light. Let's say additive share threshold. Ooh, there we go. 0.5. Give it a restart.
Oh man, I love this song.
Hey, look at that. Little lowy though. Come back in here. Camera is using the environment. Wait, that's not the same one. Save. That's wrong. Low. Yeah, that's not even it. Okay. Save it as something else. Low environment. Oh, right. Well, text. I don't want to do that. Looks so dark. Oh, that's right, because we need a material, don't we? We're still setting the color. That's odd. Oh, we have to restart Godot for that. So let's make sure it builds. Then we're using debug mode, aren't we? Actually, I wonder. Which one does it use by default? The debug one or the other one? All right. Let's start Godot. Ah, cables are all over the place now. Get on the keyboard even. Oh, good. Color. Perfect. Let's just save this. Save this material. Now we can load that here. Scenes. There we go. Hot dogs are 50% off today. So, I mean, if you eat hot dogs, it's like a good deal. All right.
Oh man, I love this song.
Yeah, the glow's way too big. Low. We want those two, not these. I want it to be fairly small. Additive's fine. HDR threshold. Probably do like a 0.8 on this, I'm guessing. Okay. Try again.
Oh man, I love this song.
It's still a really huge glow on that. Yeah. I'm looking at the glow on the camera element right there. Reason it didn't save it. Glow levels, those two. That'll have a big impact. 0.7. Odd that it has to do that over and over again.
Oh man, I love this song.
That's better. Just a little glow on there. Okay. But now, how do we get that on top of Transparent Pixels project? Yeah, let's say close that, rerun it. It's not transparent. How do we do transparent backgrounds? What happened to the good vibes? Yeah, let's keep it civil. Oh, Godot engine. Need to call get tree root set transparent background true first. What? That's fancy. Why? Why do you have to do this? Do I have a ready in here? Oh, we do. Is that the magic? Oh, yeah, look at that. Now it's not transparent. That's not transparent at all.
Oh man, I love this song.
The glow's gone. All right. I don't like it. Upside down big head camo now. Whoa. Yeah. So, where are we going today? A little disconnected. It's floating Halsey. Flip around the video. Yeah. So, well, that didn't work that well. Hmm. I'm going to move the camera now. Now that it's working, I care. So, get the camera that's back. There we go. Trying to chat upside down is funny. So yeah, if you go into Godot and you search help, you'll find it in here off of Node. You've flipped your video to watch correctly. That's a champ there. Birkin, good job. Godot notifications are a little bit different, but yeah, it get a little of that here. Um, so Xenocron, what do you need off of this? Yeah, in this case, these are going to be the virtual functions. Oh, GD native Rust. Uh, I don't think there's any documentation on the virtual functions. I mean, the best the best documentation is just going to be Godot here. And if we go up to, what is it, description properties here, go to properties on Node, you'll see that a number of these are marked virtual, and you can override any of these, and it'll just work. Yeah, Delta F32, then input, ref, put event. Because yeah, this has to do with whether or not the resource is reference counted. Because anything that's basically a pointer, you're going to see inside of a ref, and ref kind of hides whether or not it's reference counted or not. So I would say that like base types like F32, uh, actually, because this is also the owner is a pointer. Yeah, we have a node, a reference to a node. Yeah, that has to do a little bit with the macro magic, because I think you should. I don't know if you can actually get a ref to an F32. We come back. Let's go to docs.rs. PD native. Okay. Now in here, core types. Oh, what were the other macros for this? There was yeah, F32 probably pass value, right? It's gonna be smaller than the pointer on some systems. Um, but in this case, so it's no, it's native class, native class, property here. I know I've seen this before. That's why I'm looking it up. Export. Is it? I don't think that's it. Can I expect for there to be a page with all the methods you can override and the rest signatures? That would be great to have in the docs, actually, or at least in the book, because the docs are all generated code and or generated docs, so it might not be that easy. I know. Here, let's see. Can we actually pull that up in GD native? Go Rust. We do F. What we use FD? The type blob. Oh, pattern first. This one. FD.json. Oh, thank you. Inside of it's going to be one of these. Is this off of Node? Method names, enter free. Signals. Looks like it might be off of Node. Yeah. Okay, so we're off of Node here. And ready takes no arguments. But if we were looking for something else here, process, and float. So you can kind of see it here. Oh, I see. Why is he tries to expand this? Okay, here's input event. Yeah. So it's really a question of how do you know whether or not input event is be wrapped in rough or not? I thought that had to do with, let's pull this up. Proc macro lib here. No, this is it's in here.
Not it either. Rock echoes true. Okay. Still doesn't seem like an array element. No, no. Macro rules. Oh, here, G native derive lib. We want to look at the property. Um, it's a property one, but it's either going to be that or oh no no no. It's not binding. It's core. Okay. See, this is to the bindings and it's generated. Trying to remember where basically where the code is that produces the bridge code. I was thinking core. Go back to core. See, these are the types that we've implemented. Godot wrap method here. Wrap method. Okay. So let's look through this. Type method name. In this case, we get multiples here. Optional. Oh, this is new to me. What is this? Like the literal token opt, isn't it? All right, so that goes into do wrap method inner. So instead of here, we got not too much. Okay, so that's the end of it. Go back up to the beginning. I think in here we're gonna find our secret, or the answers from varargs. Static method args. So we create a new static args providing this method. This method is just a struct. Okay, so they're creating a struct. We have args. This is the other struct up here. So in some cases, if it's, let's say, an input event, you'd have some sort of input event in here. It's interesting that it could be optional too. That I find quite intriguing. All right. We have this method. We're implementing some static args method. All here. We got a self, we got a ref instance. Right, in the ref instance, it gets derefed if you're actually using the ampersand, so that just works, I think. Here. Because I think this is where your function is. Here. I feel like I never see this. The Godot error stuff there. Because that method name is your method name here. I don't know what the map method was. Oh, I see. Map mutable. Some cases, map, map owned. Got it. So depending on whether or not, on what the arguments here are, we get a different map type. Interesting. Is that not public? Or is that new? from GD native from var args. Huh. No, I think I'm just not knowing what term to look up. It's not really a secret. But I think it has to do with from var args because of how these are passed through. All right, I'm gonna call it. I have no idea. I have no idea why, but I would like to know why. All right. But yeah, it's interesting because of that, right? How do you know what it's supposed to be and when? Do they not have that in the book? Let's check real quick. Oh, there's a mic for you. All right. The user guide. The structure and code for testing. Oh, testing with the engine. Oh. Reporting methods. Here we go. Takes care of method registration and serialization. Hey, Mill, how's it going? We're wondering. Oh, sorry, that was down. um, we're wondering what is it that controls whether or not something is a ref, like let's say input event, or a F32. How do we know? Because as Xenocron asked earlier, like process here, if you override process, you actually get a float. But in this case of unhandled input, you get a ref to an input event. How do you know which, if it's going to be a ref to a, I guess float, ref to a float doesn't actually matter. But what are the rules here? What actually? Oh no, in GD script, in Godot Rust. Yeah, I don't know. All right. The two creation methods are semantically equivalent, yet they demonstrate how Godot Rust implicitly converts the values to the parameter types, unmarshalling. So my enemy and my enemy 2. So string and vector 2, or Godot string and variant. Okay. You could use variant everywhere. However, it's more type safe and expressive to use specific types. The same applies to return types. You could use variant instead of I32. Godot string is a Godot engine string type, but it can be converted to a standard string. Choose between the two. Consult the docs. All right, so the marshalling, it must be to variant from variant then. or let's say from variant. Yeah, that's actually implemented for this here, but not for the other type because it's an engine type and it's not actually listed here to be able to convert it to some local type. Or that must be it. Basically, if it's not in this list, then you're going to basically get a ref to it. And instead of a ref, could you, instead of a ref input event, could you do a borrowed input event? You do that instead? Well, without the question mark, you know what I mean? That was a nice little kind of side trip. I'm glad we went and did this. That really helps. That really helps. So I know in some cases you can do that. I think you can either do ref input event or put event like so. All right. Option phantom data. Yeah, maybe not here. Ah, okay. The answer is probably not. But I hope that that helps. If it's not in this list, probably can't do it. But it's interesting. You can do string, transform 2D, vector, certain types, vector 2D, vector 3D, results. That's neat. Huh. Option. I guess option would be some or none. All right. Let's come back over here. We don't have transparent pixels. In our world environment, our background, in order to get the glow, we have to do a canvas like this. But then if we do a canvas, we can't get the background color. How do we change the background color for a canvas? Oh, default clear color project. Oh, look at that. Default clear color. Okay. Well, that. Oh, lovely. Okay, so that's our default clear color. And now give this a little thumbs up. Oh man, I love this song. It's not very glowy. I'm doing it again. Oh man, I love this song. Huh. I know we're getting the echo now. Um, okay. Canvas, that's good. Oh, what is energy? Oh, yeah, no, we don't want the background light hitting anything. Right here, let's turn up our strength and the glow. Back to whoa, holy fuchsia. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes absolute sense then. So anything that can be that is from variant, that impulse from variant, you can take as a parameter there. That's cool. Okay. Well, today we learned from variant. All right. Close that. Oh, making your sphere move, huh? Yeah, you should do that. Let us know. Like if you get a screen capture of it moving, I'd like to see it. And let's try again. I want more. Okay, now like fuchsia on fuchsia coming.
Oh man, I love this song.
Yeah, there is a little bit of a glow on there. Can we? Yeah, we're gonna try to filters on this. Chroma. Okay. Actually, let's go back there. Let's see. Hydrosophia. Good morning. Yes. History. That's right. All right. Now let's see here.
Oh man, I love this song.
Oh, that looks horrible. Okay, so maybe glow's not gonna work for us then. I like the glow though. Chimpanzee. Let's see. Camera here. I don't think it's in there. Is it in editor? Editor settings? Color. Huh. Don't really have like a background. Yeah. Uh, it's what they're doing for owner. And save this file. Save.
It's got some glow on it here. Background is just very blue. The skybox there. Morning, Banana Wave. How are you? See, I thought we could actually do environment. Aha! Aha! Okay. You're lucky you don't see all that fuchsia. What I do is bring this over here. I want to see this. Tune it, dial in the settings. I don't even know. I'm showing you guys the wrong thing, aren't I? Okay, kind of. Let's modify this then. Ooh, okay. Has to be exactly that color. Let's bring this all down. Oh, wow. Yes, it's got little lines there too. All right. We do all this with just the spill there. Start to lose some of the color. Smoothness, that just, whoa, what happened? Where'd it go? We are. MSAA disabled. Global. Oh, it's not even on. Okay. Okay, so now we have crisper edges. It's a little surprising. I wonder why we're getting that. Is it the compression? That there's okay. Okay, somewhere in here we start to lose color. I see some of the pink there, I think. Get in there. Oh, yeah, if we do defaults, that's rough. Okay. This- Actually, that the default looks pretty good there. Great mind think great minds think alike. That's right. Added an example and a way for your audio implicit code flow to Twitch audio. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably take a look in the next couple days. But thank you. Is that in like the examples folder and or in docs? Through the filters view? Because we're working okay. Because we don't
you get this. We're trying to just tune that. Let's go to custom color. I want fuchsia. There we go. Close that. All right, now let's flip these. There you go. Now you don't see the fuchsia. Looking pretty good. All right. Now, I think I want bigger text. Let's say the font size here is going to be 1, line height 1. Okay. And same thing here. Okay. Now let's close this, reopen it. Okay. Hideously large. Good. That's right. We have container layout. We made a container, didn't we? That it could change the size. Yeah, what is transparent here? That's the key. Because we're not using HTML here. And for OBS to be able to capture something, it's going to take all the pixels in the window, right? And I think you could have transparent pixels. We just didn't see a decent way to do it. But if you know a way, please. It was here, right? Per pixel transparency. And if we could get this working, that would be fantastic. Because I think that would give us what we want. Even with, let's see, can we go to project settings, go to color, environment. Yeah, it does have alpha. Maybe I just drop that all the way. Close. Yeah, it still looks fuchsia to me. Let's run it. Let's it come. Oh, is that transparent for a moment? It might have been. Hold on a sec. You just see black there, right? Yeah, like right there should be clear. You should be able to see Godot under that section right there. Okay, so let's go back into Twitch overlay. The code was ready. Ready. Yeah. Well, I just did Control Z on that. I undid. Put that back in there. See, it's black again. It's not transparent. The reason is I think we could actually get a cool glow if we had transparent background. But yeah, transparent's just not working. How do we get transparent? Godot and transparent. So we tried looking through this. Usage. Window. Allow per pixel transparency to true. Set that to true or display window per pixel transparency. Project settings enable. Okay. In most cases, you want to disable the main viewport background rendering by calling that or change environment clear color alpha value. Okay, so we actually did that. We've done that and that project. Both of those are selected. Loud and enabled. Default clear color. Alpha all the way down. Means we don't need that. Added X11 support. I wonder if it just doesn't work on Mac. Yeah, that'd be cool. All right. Go forward. I thought I saw. Tutorial. All right. Oh, borderless windows. Okay, we're not gonna watch a video. I would have rather had. Oh, that's just Godot nightly. Okay. Where's the settings? We want settings. I know that it looks horrible. All right. Step one: create the title bar node. Yeah, yeah. Oh, but that's in 2D. Okay. It's hard to kind of imagine what they're doing there. Writing some code, it looks like. Yeah, let's get to the end of the code and take a peek. Nope, that's not helpful. Trying to see. No, no. It's just more code. See what they got here. That's not. Borderless window. Oh, that's silly. It's not what I wanted at all. If I set it to yellow, will it clear? Yes, yes. We added as fuchsia, which is why you can't see the fuchsia. Is why your name, Emil, is actually getting flipped out there. Yeah. Another reason for us to have a clear color. Okay. So our default clear color, if we set it to fuchsia again, all right, with this all the way up, or here, let's set it to like green or something else. So you can see it. Yeah. Blue. It's not green, it's blue. All right. Let us save, come back to 3D. It's blue. So that's kind of working. Now, if we just drop the alpha on that. I do this. Now, it's actually blue there. You can't really tell because of that. You can see the app is there. And if I thumbs up the song, oh man, I love this song. Oh, you got that? You got the little glow on it even. Okay. However, that's not actually transparent at all. Do we have to do that to make it transparent? Now it's black. Ah, maybe we have to do this through this. OS dot, oh goodness, dot giant list of things. It's all get. Let's skip the gets. Global menu. Okay. Okay. Native. Right. Come back one more. Here. No APIs. I didn't see the splash one. Window per pixel transparent. Oh, that's just a property. Oh, might work though. OS dot. Is that actually a? Okay, it is. True. Oh, no semicolon. All right. Where are we going here? Still not transparent. Just black. Okay. Set that to true and okay, we did that. We just did that. And that's exactly the same thing. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I'll do it twice. Is there an order? Maybe we have to do it in a certain order. Wait, but the Godot splash screen was transparent. Did you see that? Here, watch. Just happens for a fraction of a second, but that's transparent. I don't think it normally is. Let's turn that off. Project settings. If we change this like blue or something. Turn those off. Close. What's it do by default? See, yeah, you just get that gray background. You get the default clear color. So it must be something to do with the environment. Okay, so let's do this just programmatically. We'll take those, toss that on there, which means we'll probably get the clear color for that. Back to black. 3D. Out of that. World environment. Is there a setting in here? Background canvas. Low? What if we turn off low? Does that or clear color? But we need the other one for that. Okay, let's set up the clear color again. Drop the alpha. Close. Huh, still nothing. And I'm gonna go with these because this seems to make at least the splash screen transparent. Because now that's transparent. Oh, oh, it's gone. We don't see it. I don't know where it is. Oh man, I love this song. There it is. All right, so it had to do with the clear color here. Oh man, I love this song. Okay. Yeah, now it's just busted, and I don't know how to get back to it. Okay, there. Oh, well now it's black. Hold on a sec. Let's try this again. Run it. Okay, now it's black. Right, because I changed this back to canvas. Uh, if we do clear color with glow enabled, does that even work? So, okay. Now somebody hit it. We'll give you all your points back. Oh man, I love this song. Okay, yeah, no glow, but at least it's clear. Okay, that might work. So we could do the glow and the material probably. Just make them a little bigger, make the edges some transparent. All right, I gotta get ready. I gotta pick up on some other stuff. I'm glad we got to that. That's gonna work out well. Okay. This one. What are we gonna write today? Oh, let's write Hirosha. We are upside down today. We're halfway through the week. That's what I should do. Have like the weekly kind of Halsey clock. Like Monday, we'll start off over here. All right, I think we're good to go. So, till next time, y'all. Bye bye. What? See ya. Bye.